Ryan from J. Ryan Brown Law. We are talking about burglary in the first degree versus burglary in the second degree. So in Georgia, there's really three types of burglary, but we're going to focus on burglary in the first versus burglary in the second. There's also a smash and grab burglary that's charged separately, kind of when someone kicks in a window of a business or something, runs in, steals a bunch of cell phones, and hits the road. That's called a smash and grab burglary. But I want to talk about the difference between burglary in the first degree and burglary in the second degree. First degree is way more serious than second degree. In Georgia, we don't have classes of felonies like some states. We don't have Class A, Class B, Class C felonies like some other states do. But oftentimes we do have degrees, and this is one of them. So burglary happens when someone enters a place with the intent to either steal something, even if it's just a lollipop. It can be worth hardly anything. Or if they enter that place with the intention to commit a felony once they go inside. Now, what makes the difference between first and second degree is what is that place that the person enters. If it's a dwelling, if it's the place where someone lives or is meant to be lived in, that is a burglary in the first degree. So think about if you break into somebody's home, right? Even if they're not home, and you steal something or you try to steal something, even if you get caught, if you're trying to steal something, that's burglary in the first degree. Burglary in the second degree is when we're dealing with structures that aren't dwelling houses. They're not made to be lived in. Think of a storage unit. If someone breaks in a storage unit, steals a box, and leaves, that's a classic burglary in the second degree. So that's the main difference between burglary in the first degree and burglary in the second. What happens is pretty much the same, but what's the difference is what kind of place is being entered to commit that theft or that felony. Please subscribe for more information about other crimes, and call us if you have any questions about your burglary case at 470-635-1725.